In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a withdrawal request in GlowLive app. If you have already met with the app's current withdrawal requirements, then this video is for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my GlowLive app. This is the home page, and I'm going to go over to my profile and I'm going to click on my wallet, and right here you see coins, you see points. I'm going to click on points. Now I have exchange and I have withdraw option here, so I'm going to be clicking on withdraw. So this is it right here. So if you are withdrawing for the first time, you need to add a supported payment method, which is very easy. All you need to do is to follow the instruction provided by the app. So you click on withdrawal method, you select your country. So I'm going to select my country and I'm going to select my bank. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select the amount I want to withdraw. Now 1 million points is equivalent to $10, and what I have in my balance is 1 million points. So I'm going to select 1 million points, and I'm going to check carefully to make sure that everything is correct. So once I'm sure of that, I'm going to click on confirm. Then I'm going to confirm my payment information. So this is how much I'll be getting. So I'm going to confirm, and it says withdrawal application successful. So the processing times can vary depending on your payment method and your location as well. And if you experience any delays or if you have any questions about your withdrawal, you can always check your transaction history or contact the app's official support. So I'm going to check my transaction history up here, and it says pending. It says pending here. So in less than about 5 minutes, I received a notification that my withdrawal request has been paid, as you can see right here. Let me go over to my history. So I'm just going to go ahead to confirm completed. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more app tutorials. And if you are new to GlowLive and you want to learn how to use the app, feel free to join my Telegram community. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.